Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can change the leverage in Exness. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Exness account. Then go to My Accounts and you will see here your accounts. Either you have real or demo account. Okay. So for me, I have this demo account. Now to change the leverage, go to these three dots here on the right. Click on it. And we have here change max leverage, as you can see. Click on it. And we have here leverage. This is the max leverage. Okay. So you can choose any max leverage you want. So let's say, for example, 200 and click on continue. And now the max leverage has been changed. As you can see, leverage 1 to 200. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.